Let's now look at the third pattern. This pattern is also in the shape of a right triangle. Since there are 5 rows here as well, let's just copy the code from the previous pattern for the rows. If we consider and observe any row in this pattern, the data in the row changes according to the columns. Therefore, we need to add an inner looping statement for the columns. If we look at how many times the inner looping statement should execute each time, just like the previous pattern, the inner looping statement should execute I times during every iteration. Now let's figure out which value needs to be displayed. Let's try displaying the j value like we did in the previous pattern and verify. When the j value is 1, 4 is displayed. When the j value is 2, 3 is displayed. This means the j value is different from the value we actually need to display. So it turns out that displaying the j value was incorrect. Let's analyze a bit to figure out exactly which value should be displayed. For example, when the I value is 4, the j value increments as 1, 2, 3, 4. If we look at the value that needs to be displayed, neither the I value nor the j value is being displayed directly. If we calculate the I minus j value, we get 3, 2, 1, 0. The actual values to be displayed are 4, 3, 2, 1. This means we need to display a value that is exactly 1 more than the I minus j value. Therefore, the value to be displayed is I minus j plus 1. In that case, let's display the I minus j plus 1 value inside the print function. After displaying it to keep the cursor moving forward in the exact same row, we will use end equals empty string. Every time the j loop, that is the inner loop, completes one full iteration, it means one row is complete. Once a row is complete, to move the cursor to the next line, we need to add a basic print statement outside the j loop, inner loop, but inside the I loop, outer loop. With this, the coding for the third pattern is complete. Let's execute this code in the Python interpreter and check. Look, the pattern is displayed exactly the way we expected. With this, all 3 patterns are completed. We will discuss another topic in the next video.